Good morning! It is day 0 of the Orlando trip. Yes! It's not even that early. Our flight's at a really good time. It's like 20 to 8. Our cab's booked for 8:15. Connor's gone to the shop to get some stuff. And I am just kind of like pottering around and like trying to like make the time go quicker. Yes, I am wearing Minnie Mouses to the airport because I'm extra like that. But yeah, we're flying with Virgin at 11:20. Gatwick's only down the road from us, so we don't have to leave that late. We're meeting our friends at the airport. But yeah, really exciting. Yay, so this is the first ever travel vlog I've done. I don't know what people like to see from these, like whether they want tips. I'm like, how to get to the airport? It's like, well, oh shit, just not to drink on the floor. It's like, how to get to the airport? It's like, well, it's gonna be from my house. So, and most of you aren't gonna be traveling from my house. So I can't really help with that. But yeah, I'll kind of, if there's anything that I think is interesting, I will, I'll give you some tips along the way. But yeah, it's mostly just gonna be us faffing around in the airport and being excitable. But yeah, cool. See you in Florida. Hello. Where are we going today? I'm going to Gatwick Airport. Why? Go Disney! Yeah. Oh gosh, shout it done. Go Disney! I'm gonna do this. Why? That's the impression of the wee girl whose sister did the meme. Oh, Chloe. No, Chloe. That's not what she does. Oh, I'm a taxi to come now. I wanted to go to Chuck E. Cheese. I'll go to Chuck E. Cheese. Can we go to Chuck E. Cheese? Is there a Chuck E. Cheese in Orlando? Yeah, we can go to Chuck E. Cheese. Let's go to Chuck E. Cheese. Oh, we can go to Dave & Buster's. Dave & Buster's shit. Let's go to Dave & Buster's. You should publish this in case they give us free stuff. We're going. Yay! Ah. Got everything? You do. Huh? Yay! Look at us in our matching luggage. Have you got house keys? Huh? Oh. Sure? No. Very nearly closed the door. I think I do. Do you want me to grab some? Yeah, look at that. You got them, okay, cool. Epcot bag. Don't be showing off your house number and stuff in case people burgle us or get stalked. Slam away, see you later. Top tip from these guys, nick the airport bags, the waterproof bags, and then you can put your phone in them when you go on the water rides. Yay! The Kinders are getting a cred, yes! What you got? I got a wrap, a breakfast wrap, some spuds, a wee bit of hummus. And what's that? Manly cocktail from being a man. This is a basic thing in my life that makes me happy, and it shows you what kind of person I am. I got a bag, right, from Skinny Dip, specifically for this holiday. I used it once and it broke, and I emailed them to complain about the bag, and they did not email me back. And I tweeted them and they said they'd emailed me, and I found it the other day and there wasn't enough time to get it sorted. And I've just been walking through the airport and there was a Skinny Dip store and I grabbed a bag and they have it, and it's pretty much the same bag that I got that broke. So I was like, yes, got it. It was like 30 quid. That's sweet. Went to pay for it, £16. Get in. It's just gonna save me a world of pain, like when I'm out there at the parks, because I specifically wanted a bag that had zippers instead of a popper because of the Disney policy of making you take your bags on. And I was just like, oh, it's going to stress me out so much. But yeah, now I'm very happy. But now I do also have to deal with the fact that I have 2 bags because I've got my Vans backpack and a Skinny Dip backpack now. But yeah, happy. Shoes. What up, wench?
That's our plane.
Is that our one or is that the Vegas one? There's another one over there.
It was one of them. Let's just for the purpose of the vlog, let's say that this is our plane. It shows me.
This is our plane. The magic of editing.
Yeah. You should do that, but then flick it into like a big jumbo jet.
We're on Barbarella, yes.
Are they small pretzels or have I got really big hands?
Nom 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 nom. Right, so you may have noticed that aside from myself and Connor, who you know, there are other people on holiday with us, and I was like, it'd be really weird if you're just in the background, like, hey. So I'm going to introduce you to them.
Hi, my name's Ben. You probably recognise me from like online Facebook roller coaster group.
Just having a go at everyone.
That's me. I'm actually very nice.
Despite what the internet would have you believe. This is Jay.
I'm Jay. You probably don't recognise me. I'm not doing anything. I'm tagging along.
Yeah. Cheers. Can't see it. She's playing RCT. She's fine. Hello. Forest frontier.
That was literally why she's got her laptop on.
What did you watch?
Oh, it's the Black Panther.
Was it good?
It was alright. Like, it was alright. I'm gonna watch the Breadwinner.
Breadwinner. Breadwinner. It's really good. That's what I just watched. It's really good.
And if it can finish, there's a Bobby Robson documentary on there as well. Hopefully that should see through the next couple of hours.
I watched the Breadwinner. It's really fucking good. You need to watch it. And now, they're reading Russian car.
Mum and Dad never got together.
Yeah. Just burp. You're gross. Right, we're here in America, yay. I look like absolute shit. I've been travelling for God knows how long, and we've just been stood in a customs queue for an hour and a half. It's fucking disgusting. And yeah, it was alright. Now we're just waiting for the rental car, and then we can go to the Walmart, yay, and get food, yay, because we're all fucking starving, and I think it's like 11 o'clock back home or something. So I feel gross. But yeah, we're here. Yay. It's food time. We're going to Wendy's. Yay.
Hungry.
Nom 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 nom. Yes. Hangry. Are you hungry?
Come to Florida for the sun.
And it's raining. Yeah.
I'm gonna order everything.
Yes.
Good chicken or a burger?
Baconator.
Baconator was sick.
Yeah, that's what I'm having. I kind of want to try the Dr. Pepper cherry, because I don't get it, but they've got cherry, vanilla, strawberry, but I mean, Dr. Pepper's a weird flavour anyway. I don't think I'd like any of those. I got a Son of Baconator, which is like a bacon double cheeseburger thing, nugs with some sriracha sauce, and a potato, and Dr. Pepper obviously. Yeah. This is basically what I've been looking forward to all day. It's Walmart time. We're going to look at the spooky snacks. Yay! Ooh, so spooky. Look how spooky it looks. The sky's got a bit Stranger Things though, so it's quite fab. Yes. spooky. Don't mind if I do, yay! What spooky items have we got? Some disgust. Oh my god, look at that, just pumpkin shaped cookies and frosted sugar cookies. Oh my god, that's fab.
I want that.
Cheese balls, I mean it's orange, so it counts as Halloween.
Then your poos will be orange and pumpkin.
So much spookiness, look! They're the dead cake toppers and spooky pumpkin. Oh my god, look at the fucking sprinkles. Like bloody bone sprinkles. Oh my god, I want it all. Yeah. Right, this is a whole aisle of just spooky foods. Okay, that's just candy corn. Let's go down here. Spooky Reese's. Spooky popcorn balls. I feel like maybe the actual branded spooky items are going to be down there. Right, hold on. What we got? Ghoul Mix, pecan. There's the candy corn ones. They're fab. Pecan pie flavour. Interesting, then you.
Peanut?
Don't want peanut, we want white pumpkin.
I don't want pecan pie.
Do they have the spooky beans? Peanut butter skulls, that's quite fab.
That's quite fab. Spooky Sour Patch Kids.
Right, we're gonna have to have a dig here, aren't we? These gold bears aren't spooky. What's going on? Right, I need to talk y'all through some of these items. A taco beef pizza. I need it. Pizza bite bagel says, oh, frozen corn dogs. State Fair corn dogs. Oh my god. Oh, this is what I have. Oh my god, buffalo TGI wings. I need all of these items. We're actually on the hunt for Pop-Tarts. So if you see any, shout. Ha ha ha. Twinkies? Yeah, I'm gonna get some Twinkies. Well, what flavour? Banana Twinkies, ew. Do they not just have normal Twinkies? Steel's the kill. Ding dongs as well. don't they talk about those in Greece?
Yeah,
So ratchet, fake minis, why would you? Just don't bother if you can't be bothered to buy the proper ones. Right, we've been to Walmart and we've gone a bit mental. Right, I'll start you over here. My Minute Maid, pink lemonade, which is the best. And usually in the restaurants I get it like half this and then I get them to mix it with half soda. It's fab. I got some Aunt Jemima's. It's butter flavour, but it's light, so it's totally healthy and fine. 100 calories per serving. I mean, I don't even know what a serving is. Who knows?
Just the butter.
Some Twinkies, obviously. Pumpkin spice flavour frosted flakes, which I'm gonna, hold on, should we sniff them now? Can you open them? A live sniff.
This is the top quality content that people subscribe for.
It's just me sniffing some fucking... Are they very pumpkin-y?
The pumpkin-esque, I mean, like, you have a sniff.
Oh no, they do, yeah. They kind of smell like pumpkin, but they also kind of smell like feet.
They smell like your rabbit. That's what they smell like.
Yeah, they're like fusty. Okay, they're going to be a little bit strange. Twizzlers, obviously. It's just so much. There was a pack that had the Twizzlers individually wrapped. Like in America, they do not give a fuck about plastic consumption. Arizona iced tea lemon flavour, which is just giving me like Saved by the Bell vibes. It's fab.
It's also the tits. Right?
Yes, it's fab. We went looking for the pumpkin Pop-Tarts. They don't have them yet, but we're gonna check back in next week. So we got chocolate peanut butter flavour and strawberry milkshake flavour. We got Eggos, just plain ones to have with the syrup, obviously. A less healthy, balanced breakfast. Mountain Dew. I got these Bud Light Lime Rita things. So I feel like there's beer in them.
Have you ever had one of those?
No.
They're really good. They're like,
are they beer?
They're like limey beer, but they're also margaritas all at the same time.
So like a Corona Rita?
Corona Rita.
Okay, I'm excited.
But they're not, they're 8%, they're so strong.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
They're really good though. You'll have like a sniff and just be on the floor, so it's fine.
I saw these on Instagram and died, and then I saw them in Walmart and was like, yeah, so apple pie flavour Oreos. I don't like Oreos. Like standard Oreos, I think they taste like salt. I don't like them, I think they're gross. But Yeah, I know. Have you never, like, do you not know that about me? I really don't like Oreos, but like apple pie flavoured things, yes.
And it's got graham crackers
and it's graham crackers instead of actual Oreos, which, so I just feel like
so
they're going to be...
not even Oreos.
Yeah, they're not Oreos, so I feel like they're going to be fab. Then got spooky pumpkin flavour beer.
I have no idea what pumpkin wheat is, how it's made into beer, what it's going to taste like, but it was spooky beer.
It'll be spooky, yeah. And Connor got orange Bud Light. I mean, to me, I think they look like Bacardi Breezers or like Wickeds. But yeah, I don't think that'd be very nice, but who knows.
They're spooky, they're orange.
Yeah, they're orange. They count. Right, we had a bit of a devastating moment when they didn't have the white pumpkin M&Ms, but apparently I googled it and they are a thing this year, so we're just going to keep checking back. So instead we got candy corn. That is so heavy. That is so fucking heavy. It's all... You can literally just kill a man with those.
Like one gelatinous
oh, they're just candy corn is rancid, but Jake really wanted to try some, so we're like, we'll get some. The candy corn M&Ms, which are fab. I had them last year; they're really nice. And then we got pecan pie. I haven't tried these before, but they didn't have them. I didn't get sent them last year, but I'm excited to try those. I think they'll be really nice.
The fab girl
and the fab green M&Ms. She's fab. We love it. But yeah. That's our nutritious haul of shit. Yeah, I'm excited to try that. I'm gonna do a really, really quick apartment tour because I've been up for a million hours and I look disgusting. My hair is massive because it's humid as fuck, but I just wanna get this out of the way so you can see where we're staying. So this is Bahama Bay Resort. It's like an apartment. It's like a self-catering apartment. We were saying like the decor's like it's your nan's house but on holiday. It's really fab. It's massive. So we've got, hope you've got clothes on. This is Ben's room. Hey.
Welcome to my crib.
Yeah. So there's two rooms that are just rooms, and they share a bathroom. And I think Jake's in here. He's unpacking. Hey.
His own bed.
Yes. So there's this room, and then if you go through here, that's their bathroom there. I'll show you that really quick. The kitchen where we just came from is here, and Connor's putting his beer away. Hello.
How do?
And then there's the living room. And there's like a balcony there. And this is mine and Connor's room. So it's like a nice big double room. We've got a massive wardrobe space. So me and Connor can keep, it's like one big thing. So I'm gonna unpack all my clothes in a minute. And then there's me, hi. And all of our shit's starting to get unpacked. So yeah, we have a little ensuite. Yeah.
That's lovely.
Is it nice? I was saying it looks like a Wicked.
It's like an it's like an alcoholic iron brew.
Oh, it's Oh no.
Oh no.
No.
Oh yeah, look at the lights.
The lights are palm trees. That looks like a vagina. The palm tree lamps. It's so kitsch. I love it. Look at all the shit. Look at all the random like paraphernalia. Just crap.
That's sweet.
Huh?
That's sweet.
I don't think so. I think it's like
Open and try one.
decorative rocks.
Open and try one.
No. That's gross. Yeah. I'm going to bed now. I'm really tired. I'm disgusted. I need a shower and a stink. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye.